Hi guys, how to use Canvas feature in ChatGPT AI. Canvas opens a dedicated writing workspace alongside your chat. Instead of ChatGPT generated text, you copy paste anywhere you work on a document together. Ask ChatGPT to start a draft of your essay in Canvas. Read thorough. It can highlight section you want changed. You can also paste your own writing into Canvas and ask for feedback on structure, argument, strength, and clarity. For example, launch Canvas and first enable Canvas feature. Go to bottom left corner, your profile icon, and choose personalization. Here scroll down and go to advanced and make sure that Canvas feature is turned on in your chat GPT app. Thereafter go to your chat section and here type simple open Canvas. And you can see Canvas workspace is now open. You can easily your Canvas is open and ready to use. Here you will find a copy, edit and download button. Simply choose edit and you can type, edit, brainstorm, draft or organize anywhere here. Your notes, simply type start here. For example, we will put a paragraph here and ask ChatGPT to edit. Prepare MCQ based on this para. And you can see printable choice question MCQ based on the paragraph. Such type of paragraph you can see here in the Canvas paper. And you can also chat GPT to edit it. And so Canvas feature is very dedicated for us students who write regularly. Canvas cuts editing time in half. Here you can also edit on Canvas workspace. Simply upload file, write file and edit file on Canvas. You can perform all actions simultaneously, read and edit, write and edit on Canvas in ChatGPT. So this is a very important feature, Canvas workspace in ChatGPT.